It is very unfortunate that we have a situations like this. What I have been told was that there was this tipper truck that usually comes to the community with, we have various, we have double Azel, which came to the community. So having passed through on this bridge, and this is the outcome of the situation we have now. Because as I can tell you, it's almost getting to 3 weeks now. My only headache now is that I have been praying that it shouldn't rain. Because when it rains, the only road or bridge that link is between Anyako and Apipa is only this bridge. Though we have a number of them here, but the situation here at Hana is this bridge, which I think is not even motorable. In case it rains, I don't know where vehicles will be, motoring or passing.
So now where are they passing? Where are they?
For at the moment, you see some of them pass through behind this bridge. That is for now. And this is somebody's farm. Like I said, it rains anytime, randomly. So that is what I'm saying, that the only headache I'm having now is the broken bridge. And if it rains, only God knows where we are going to apply before going to Anyako, put Anyako. With motorbike, I think you can pass here. By anything of more than 2-legged, you will not be able to pass here. Yeah, and that is one of my headache, and not me alone. The people from this community. That is it. The outcome is what we are seeing here. But for us to point at which car did it, we don't know. Like as we discovered the sun winning over there, yes, those who come to do this, we know them. But with regards to this particular one, we don't know. It only happened when I was debriefed about the situation at hand now. So, like I said, it is something that must be the concern of the government of Ghana, including the municipal assembly, that they should be able to come to our aid as quickly as possible before we start to have showers of rain.
Since the bridge is like this, have you informed somebody? And since then, have you seen some accidents, or have you heard of any accidents happening on this very road?
Nyatape lekure bridge anwo afokwar kama jo ala bana hayogba apo ba chifufuaro le he jo patako meko nanu darem be na mada le moya jituma otonya be na jojo mla fia ka kude be mina be maranya nyatape nyapa MC a nyakokpa jiole tagbarogbo to na fia to mi ne to klein.
So the municipal chief executive is aware of this very bridge, the situation over here right now.
Yeah, he came here with some of the engineers from the assembly, and that was not only reasons why he came here. He also came to ascertain some of the uncompleted projects we have within my electoral area. So he has been debriefed. But like I said, it has always been my headache. Nyamanya leke miadeto aro amayo mo ajizama ayira agunya ko gbajaro atuma ba yira people da lenyanya na mi MC.
So let's come to this. How are you guys managing this, the construction of this very? I know part of the road is for Ketu North and part is in the Keta municipality. How the two municipalities or the two districts are managing to construct or to reshape the road?
Na ma hay manyanye ba le nyepa boundary ama atombo ba 80% around 90% a la Keta municipal assembly apa boplote ka 10% ku gara Ketu fie o gara Ketu fie mi she boundary nye pategba cho pategba yi the clinic agbo majijo chofma ko yi the nya people aruka to boundary kacho patigba fie bridge ale va yi akpa goja nya kata fanyi kana.
So kana mi o reshape na o yemi wa fiare do fia be wo mo reshape yon tafmaton e china na ma alo wo no way yemi ho mi mo we ko mi ho mi ato china na ma. That's what
wo no be yo reshape ko no we va sere patigba ro clinic agoji ko utosere wima ka chof ma vai to bolvongolo pi vai ranya kupota ya chinenema
nenema kene mi ho mi we e won ho mo we ko ha china pategba ka won ho to chi anyi
nenema bandi aji mi ata mi wona mi pa do vasanaro.
Okay, me ejagba be me asenu ma ike na ojagba na mi brief ya ike fifi la fia mi ike komi agbron be keta municipal assembly ike ajagba plus be bridge ya pa aleko wada fia wa make sure they do something about it quickly because him assemblyman na mi nya be ne onye be achi eja fifi la ya kwa moya o maga tinzago because if ama fia ye tumu la ike nya amara pa gblema echija if ama fia kata erona o maga tin afia rekatogo ikenye enu ike sesen ike ajebe assembly na cho kaba atro shile nu yan afi echija ya nagado akpe miagara ma de kavero ike miagara duma toroji duma vioji no ado jenami mia dada mia segomo be moya ezana moya asichala na nye ezana moya up and down be shagogbe leke moya konye kuhe na wa ba marekana
marakuma dakpe na mia fa bia winya mia fa kuhe le adu winya be moya adu ye vevelia zoyo katana le chofia fata shina disipoto yo dazo nguyo kato kura moja ba protecta na ngu kato doralaji tawe bana huga mo wa ina mako ni kanya protecta ahwe ba kpokho na odara tawe ba zo ba gbagba ni chola va ya zo regba e chiro adafu na mi odumavio ye mi o ashichalo na la do mo ha na mi cho shigbo afi mi ame o shi moto le nya va do mo ha sasana ye me okashi moto malo ha odo moto e ka bo hoga 10 cedis a o khona 20 cedis 25 cedis loshi avo e ka bo du komana bobo na du mavio ite ni du klola ha nda shara won ba nshang na bobo na mi ka ko nya ba na be plan 10 cedis na wa de 2 cedis daji vo moto kula a hoga paga to la shi o alaba na wa de 20 cedis or 30 cedis ogbona draga o ba nyapa ajio chada nami tawe ba mi ma ba kpo mo le dom ta nwi nya nya kuku dada na assembly aro duklo la nya ba wo ba akunwo kore azoji ado mo nami la ba amo nya du la ba cho fie da pipa manya distance aro jiji na ma gbagba o ho 10 cedis aro na chija o ho 30 cedis 40 Ghana kaka na mi akpo cho junction yida hota afmo ho na 5 cedis 7 cedis avo cho of my rap more 7 cedis 5 cedis homa ajiji cho u cho fie rap people kaka fia ira people o 10 cedis hona chija maro hona 30 20 ikabanya taduna mi odumavio ta mi adogbara ba na nya ba over akpozo ya gbo na mi vo akun koreji a odomo na mi
amara kun konya Pascal ta Silvera manya ngolo pvgg
amoya zamfia fanani ya ike moya lalaka fukpepe ka o ma mi metono mi no totum
marakuku lanya moya za mafia gbama globa duamo jimdo ta amola la to gbinyo ngoli bu afuma achiro fia jigara achikwe no fudam na amo na cheza amo pa fiado na la fiado na hu mazon ka kawanya aba taneba achia harala mojia kama chichu na yodu do mia to gagba sofi klokodio ahan wokore amoji kaka neba chia gazako aga homo fmaga gbagblanga tafa bubu ho gbagblanga kana to bolova inada apifa afuma banya anyi dadi ta jigara mi la mojina kplumia fa moto kwa afuma na kwa moto aba yali na anyi gba yiga kokoko afon atemo plafo adogran govia figa daji azora ngogba ta moya neba chizaido mi kpanafu ala gbagbeze ba viento kremia dadayo ka anoshitsam donado ma inada ashi akachilo aro agbozuma nebo gbawaro pipo moto o matan fozo ga zamu takala ba moto na ko akwa do me zogba veto o do fa gba o nwe kana fibe no ashi won do fon le moji akogbova apama ikanya na fura den to ta kukura da onya bi da kukuna municipal assembly pakula jirudu aba okpere mi anchile mi pa kuhioma alaba mo pa anyizanya o nya dogura lo ma
na jimbo wa gbova are shape na yo alo nka na bo na wo ku de mo ajibo wa du wa nye mo to ko alo wa ga re shape na yo alo he ka bro me na la fifila na manya
mara kuku no vinye ne ba oga boga ha mo ji oga yitura ji ka fu ekpe mi la ya kpe ji ku no ga mi ala ka nwi nyanya cha gbogbo nya ba jiru na kpere mi an agbo mo ya do na mi onye mo ka akoire jifo ikaba chi zaza maga adafu ne azon na nyi zazang na achi ya gbomala
le kenye mi afofu pepo le du ya ma ku de mo ya zazang
kimba ku ko yin gbede ma dorin cho bolovo ngolopi mara ku ma glo ko ba nya ma de ma chi da fia ga kala nye paton pa du ama no ni kama kpo ku de mi apo mo nyenye ba na chi ja mi mate za moto na ma because na mi ko moto cho aba people gbona va du ama do na moto to pa lo mo so kona mi jana nyi ma do to ha mama ha o te kuna ta mi de mi ba mi ade kukuna jidudua bano akpe de mi an wa ku pe kwa kore mo ja do mo na mi
wa atian do mo to shinya de ba amaro kuna leke na ko leke moto akọ je na onyin play na ma gbegbe to that extent ko wa ko ku ni na ma leke mo ko efi ba mo pa gbegbe la ko woni ni na ma
mere ko ye mo pa gbegbe ala ba amado na nwa jo na ma konji gan le mi agbo fia chips compound tanova fia motewe kaka ora so ko ikonji gan ko wa do teto na mama kuna mi ando ko mi le mo popo mo ba jidudu na pede mi an ala ba pagade we ya mi no sesan gbogbo na mo do gan na mi gaka mi ma na na ka pon kukun dan chiu ta mo ha ga gbegble nda ji ga do mo do cover ha mo ji na ba mo ji ga va zro na le gbegbeje ba do chi khana de vado maha na vaina moto na dodo do kwanda mididigo ahu moto ale ba mu ma kan finna mi avai tamba mi ade kuku na jidudu ano akpede mi anchi
mara kun kwanya anyuna potufa macho bolova afia
anyuna potufa ika cho bolova leke nye ashichacha ole amoya ji aba ashichala na nye yina agbona amoya mi no zazam leke nye mi afa amoya zazam
do dafu ala ba yi manya mododo nyota anya mo na chiezala na nye ya shi agbona ko iko mo ko na nye zanyi moji kata wona ba poto ala ba ahoe moto to mo lo bo ho ha yo hona 30 Ghana 20 Ghana ye moto koga avaro afi agoji ko miela fu papa ma ala gbagba na mi afomo ye fu kpam na mo la gbagba enye yashi kaka mi agbo na chie ze ko ya ala ba na ha gawo avo yo gala fifi ala ha obo moji manyu tani o na mi gba otu gba ko nye ba 10 cedi i homola maro 15 ko afi ami roshia mi o monya i ko nye ku he na ganto ikala du ha o ma nya kpere nya nchi
nya asagomo ba ekpo khofokuaro le moya zazam ekpo leke nwa ko joye mai mana na mi anya
mara ku yin ha chieza mo komi akom ma ha yi mko oglo iko mazanyi mfa vie wom tontonto ikwe ha na achieza ko na mo eko ko la ba na zanyi na ma ko to klotu anyi fifi la ifi na mo zon fi are ma buton omo ha na fi ma vazo buno le aduhama
ka ayo la la kare nyake ala shona jirudua alo ameyo ka wojeba wakwoba moya na adonami nyake ala sho ike na namye nyanyamba moya yena na zubu no fifia moya yena na va ofa kulupa va sam la gba pan kama moya ye ko jirani yaro yivayi nyake ala sho na glona jirudua kura moya dodon plus ba kukhyo moto me miela la duyama opa abuya tomo ne la maganye nu ike agajo kan ike fifia wa vanye enu ike na ba chi komo crowd na tinwa no opa agbedo wom nyake la show na jirudu
akpa kuku komiare na jirudu no kpere nyan hana mia fomo ya dodo nya kuku ganda damni bana kpere nyan na amoha no do ala ba manye heke moto komi anyizem koma anyizem moto koma zanye fi anama dere ko de heto hena onyata fa nyela kukhema na nyafo mododo ta to kuku dede ma nyeda kuku na jidudu na okpere nyanchi hena miaƒe mɔ ya dodo.
Emɔ ya le aleka ene gblɔ na mi fia be moto zam yi ne le ye wòkɔm kɔ anyi dzem esia yi. Nke dzɔme ʋu zam o, mi me ʋu zam o. Abe ne fifia ne tɔ butɔn gake still la ega moto aɖo jetɔn jene ya wòkɔ kɔ tsitsi na anyi. Ega moto aɖo nke dzɔme ʋu zam o.
Oh, me ɖe kuku to kuku ɖeɖe ma eʋua me le mɔ dzi o. Moto koe le mɔ dzi na anyi.
Efia be ebe agblɔna be emɔ ya eʋu mezɔna mɔ ya dzi kura wa.
Me ɖe ku ʋu zɔni, eʋu tsɔ teƒewo ge kple teƒewo vana. Gake ʋu nanɔ dua me, ahanɔ miakɔm anɔ yi me.
Anɔ passenger dɔ wɔm le dua me le dua me meli o.
Awo, me ɖe ku meli o.
Nke tɔ afi eʋu me edɔ wɔm le dua me. Nyawo mi me eɖo mo mi kɔ mi prefer motorbike a ye na be ʋuwo me dɔ wɔm alo ba leke.
Miaƒe mɔ ƒe manyomanyoe elabe wobe ne yoko eʋu yeye kɔ zu mɔ dzi egblẽna ne yo. Ta emɔ ƒe manyomanyo ye woe be ʋuwo me le mɔ dzi kura o. Menye ʋu ɖe ma tantui etoni gake ne tsi edza kɔ eɖɔ do hã. Eɖɔ yi ko wòwɔna ɖe ƒomevie ko edzina be yeadze anyi hã le mɔ dzi. Le miaƒe mɔ ƒe manyomanyo ta yena be eʋuwoe molɔ̃na ekɔ mi o.
Miava do ɖe emɔa dzi, emɔ yi ke ko nye kuxe bliboa ne wa yi ke ne kpɔ megbe nya fia enye junction ya yi ke nye Ketu North kpakple Keta municipality a wawo dome ya mi edo ɖo yi ke mi se gɔme be afi ya wawoe nye teƒe yi ke eba enɔ fu ɖem ne motokulawo yi ke assemblyman na mi nya be ye hã ye bliba kra le afi ya ye bliba anyi kɔwo le afi ya gbemagbema leke wòkɔ bliba anyi kɔwo le afi ya as assembly member. Fukpekpe kawo moto ike wa ademe na mi ike honorable leke onjono gbemagbema ye nya ke ala chune mi kude emɔ ya ŋu ale mɔ ya le gaƒoƒo ya me.
Abala ke me na mi nye be akpa ya godzi kɔ yi ɖe mia megbea ne kpɔ miaƒe megbe nye liƒo le miawo katatɔwo kple ketutɔ dome enye abolɔvɔŋlɔƒi kple aƒiƒe electoral area. Emɔ ƒe akpa dzia inye be anyi mɔe edidina le gbegbe ne tsi dza eʋu metone o emɔ metone o ya afɔ hã ne tome hã edze be nala afɔ ɖe anyi nye ŋdɔtɔtɔ me gblɔm fifle be akpa ma godzia afi me nye me edze anyi ɖo me zi ɖeka me zi evo elabena me le mɔ dzi abale me na mi nye be anyi mɔ nye fia ne tsi dza kɔ ya didina ta ne eko emɔ tso aƒiƒe ƒe junction egbɔna ve bolɔvɔŋlɔƒia egba me ƒona mia sidewo xɔna ake ne tsi dza maɖo xɔnɛ va se na sidi bla de hã
yi ke nye sidi bla 60 Ghana cedis
60 Ghana cedis
ne tsi dza
elabena wona manya be eɖo lia tso aƒiƒe fifia me ƒuƒu le fia atɔ ze minute 50 ava yi ŋlɔƒie ake ne tsi dza gaƒoƒo ɖeka kura me va yi aɖe ko elabena ale mɔ yi me moto nɔ tsatsam mɔ dzi yim ke akɔ yi ta wona manya be ne dzɔ nenema kɔ yo gblɔna mi ta tso mi sidi bla tɔn va sidi bla den kɔ egble gafia va aƒe ke ne gatrɔ yina ɖe honeni ma kena kpɔ be gbe ɖeka kɔ 1.2 ma alo million ɖeka kple eve nye gama gblena la ta nye ŋutɔ mɔ ya dzi afia ne tsi dza mete togo ela nye 4x4 o ela nye nka mɔ ya mete togo elabe emɔ didi ma leke gbo be ontɔntɔ kura afɔ ezɔn le kura ke gbe fia gbe to ɖɔ ikuna tɔngɔ.
So let's come to this. Why for so long it is like this and you guys didn't do anything about it, and up to now 2025 if people are still complaining of this? And uncle told me the chairman told me this thing has been here for over ages and still 2025. Why?
What I can also say is that being an assembly member with a collaborative effort we have with the unique committees, ours is to trumpet, ours is to advocate, ours is to call on the government to work on what we are going through. Like I said, if you want to calculate the number of incidents that have occurred on this road, it's uncountable. People who have hailed from this community, from Anyako, I can mention so many people. Even the current chief of staff to the vice president from Anyako. Most of the people applied this route. So as to how long it took us for us to get this information or this advocacy to the public. That's what we, the assembly members or the union committee, can do. So we heard that this has been in the newspaper for so many years, but as to the reasons why it has always been a backlog, we don't know. So we are using this opportunity again to thank you people for coming to our aid by making this awareness go to the government and for them to also come to our aid as quickly as possible, because the only headache we always have is that we pray that it doesn't rain in this area. Immediately it started to rain, that is one of our problems.
Thank you. But you said you pray it doesn't rain. But I can see some farm. People are cultivating vegetable, other things over here. If it doesn't rain, what else? What will they use? If it's not raining in this area.
There was an incident before when there was a reference from the chip zone. You know, we have a chip zone in our area to the next community, which is Abo Clinic, Abo Hospital. That day, we had to use a tricycle. It took us so many hours to get the person to the next community. So that day, it also rained. So if it will rain for people to have this kind of casualties, what will be your prayer? It shouldn't rain. The farmer also here is also praying that he or she need rain to farm.
Yes.
Assembly member also praying that so far that we have been recording incidents of accident on our road, my too is also praying to also pray that it shouldn't rain. So it's between assembly member says it shouldn't rain so that people can have a safety way of applying the road. The farmer is also praying that it should rain. So for this kind of counter prayers to cease, the government has to come to an aid and put our road in a good shape for us so that we can have accidents free on this road from our Bolovongolopi to Bota, Anyakopota and Apipa.
Yes, when we are talking about economic activity between Bolovongolopi and then Apipa Road over, why the road should be constructed, what are the things that makes it possible for this road to be constructed?
Yeah, apart from us pointing fingers to incidents that have been occurring on our road, some of the major economic activities that goes on this area. When you look at on my left, we realize that there's a very large land available for rice farming. So the farm, I mean, when it comes to rice cultivation here, it is also in a very large quantity. Talking about variety of, we have cassava farmers here, they farm maize, we have cattle ranch. When it comes to animal rearing, we have cattle in very large numbers here. The community also is close to the river, so we also fish. When you're talking about kente weaving, the dominance is also from here. You know, people like this bovilolo, fried fish. When you're talking about that, you come to Bolovongolopi, you can have it in a very large quantity. So talking about farming, all varieties of farm activity, I mean products, you can get them from here. Now there is something that I need to also touch. Our area here has also been declared a Ramsar site, where we have mangrove in a very large quantity. As I'm talking to you now, it has become one of the significant eye of the government, where we started, they have identified something we call blue carbons. So we started the processing, where Crimea has already been implemented. As I'm talking to you now, very soon, the government will start implementing some of the projects here. So apart from what I have already mentioned, very soon, there's also going to be a focus of the government on the mangroves we also have in a very large quantity here. So when you're talking about this, whatever revenues the government is supposed to harvest, I think we have some percentage from this community.
Thank you for speaking to us. Remember to subscribe to the channel on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, we are there. Sinabi TV and then Everlove TV. Subscribe and be part of this great family.
Afisika na to tajia himaka na to arino tane zodan gogolo baba na donku magba oji to baba foklingo la moji hala aga koji ku aga koji